Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. I'm Wesley as always, and to my left I have a very beautiful yet powerful system. This is going to be a workstation build. So this is going to be a quick episode this week. We have a lot going on at the AVA headquarters this week. So let's just dive right into it, shall we? Alright, so we're going to start off with the case for this bad boy, and this is going to be a Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. This is the curved tempered glass edition, and this is one of my favorite cases. I just love the design, the sleekness of it. It also has some RGB built into it. I like the bottom effect down here. It's just overall really nice case, and it's very durable too. You can feel the the quality, when you do touch the case. I think overall quality-wise is a nice case. As far as motherboard, it's going to be an ASUS Prime X299A2, and inside this bad boy is the first on AVARigs, if I'm not mistaken, but it's going to be an Intel Core i9-10900X. As a 10-core processor. It's part of the new X series processors that just launched not too long ago, and we have one here. We actually have quite a few here, but this one's right here with us today. Moving on to the GPU is going to be an RTX 2080 Super Edition. This is the Black Gaming Edition as well. It's always nice to have those in there. We all know that. Moving on to the memory, because there's a lot. All right, so this is going to be the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB edition. This is a 128 gig kit of memory clocked at 3000 megahertz. So right off the bat, if you couldn't tell, by the processor, the memory just seals the deal that this is a workstation build. So lots of rendering. You can have a bajillion Chrome tabs open. It's phenomenal. It is phenomenal. But what this end user is going to be using it for, I would say, is going to be rendering heavy load workstation tasks. I really don't know what that would be. I just play games. We all know that though. Moving on. Brooke's giving me evil eyes. For the power supply, we're going to have a CORSAIR HX1200, and this is going to be a platinum rated 1200 watt power supply. The CPU cooler for this build is going to be a CORSAIR Hydro H150i Pro RGB edition. Tried and true, nothing really to say there. And then there is another set of fans in here, and it's going to be the Be Quiet Pure Wings 2 140 millimeter. It's going to be right back here. I should say another fan, not fans. Please don't rip me to shreds. As far as storage, we have quite a bit. So we're going to have a Samsung 1TB 970 Pro, and then we're also going to have a Samsung 4TB, pardon me, a 60 Evo. And then we also have an HDD. They stayed, in the last decade apparently, but hey, that's fine. I have two in my system at home. And that is going to be a SEAGATE 4TB BarraCuda. And then there's a couple other miscellaneous things, as well as down here. You're probably not going to be able to see it, maybe in the B-roll, but that is going to be a ASUS PCIe AC58BT internal wireless card. That's a lot of letters. Nonetheless, all you need to know is it's a wireless card. We also have we also installed, I should say, a optical drive. This is going to be an Ultra HD Blu-ray burner. Pioneer branded, tried and true again. And then we also over here have a Cable Mod custom magnetic RGB strip. So in theory, it's a very powerful system. It's a very pretty system, and nonetheless, the end user is going to be really happy with the end results, because this is a very good looking build. Brooke, cut it, bruh. All right, everybody, as I stated in the intro, this is going to be a quick video. I've got lots to do. Brooke has lots to do. It's a busy week here at the AVA headquarters. But as always, if this is a build that you're interested in, my lord, you could always go to our website at AVADirect.com. There will be a link in the description below, or you could always call our awesome sales team and they will guide you through designing or building a system that's customized to whatever you might need. If it's gaming, workstation, we can help you out. So hop over to the website or give us a call. We'll be here. As always, this has been AVARigs. My name is Wesley, and I'm out of here.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com